Good morning, children. Today I will do all experiment for the heat experiment. Conduction, convection and then evaporation. Okay. See, I will take the one beaker. Beaker we add a water. We add the water. What water?
Cold water.
See here. Here heat is a form of energy. What is the SI unit of heat? Joule. What is the SI unit of heat?
Joule.
To the colder end, that is called conduction. See here, this is the hotter end. Here have colder end first. After we kept here and another one beaker here. This is hotter end. The transport into the hotter end to the colder end. That is called conduction. And then the heat is transferred into the water and it is rises up. That is called convection. What is that?
Convection.
The heat is transferred into the rises up, you know. First after above the layer the water is warm, little warm, in down very hot. Why? Because of the heat is transferred into the outer end to the lower end. That is called conduction. After it the hot means warm. Warm is rises up. That is called convection. Here have a after heat. This is also plastic pen, plastic scale, pen, and this is compass. And this is scale. See, he already heated. This already heated. Means what we have observed, the good conductor of heat is also called conductor. Conductor here allows the heat transfer into the easily. That is called good conductor of electricity. Good conductor of heat. What is the good conductor of heat? Iron. This is the iron, you know. It is already heat is passed here. Plastic is the poor conductor of heat. The material which allows heat, which cannot allow the heat. Which do not allow the heat. That is called a insulator. What is that? Insulator. We have coin also. This is also good conductor of heat. Coin is the iron metal, you know. That is also good conductor of heat. Good conductor of heat is the material which allows a heat easily. That is called good conductor of heat. The material which do not allow easily heat, that is called poor conductor of heat, also called insulator. You know that you add some metals and you know that the heat is transferred into the edge. The plastic is a poor conductor of heat. The plastic is a poor conductor of heat. That is called insulator. And this is